Connect LG washer to Netgear extender Wi-Fi. 1. Power on devices. Ensure your LG washer, Netgear extender, and main router are all powered on. 2. Connect to extender network. Use your phone or computer to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the Netgear extender. 3. Open a browser. On your connected device, open a web browser. 4. Enter extender's IP address. Type 192.168.1.250 or http://www.mywifixd.net into the browser's address bar. 5. Log into extender. Enter the default login credentials, usually admin for the username and password for the password, or use the ones you set up. 6. Set up extender. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the extender to your main router's Wi-Fi network. 7. Confirm connection. Make sure the extender shows it is successfully connected to the main router's Wi-Fi network. 8. Access washer settings. On your LG washer, go to the settings menu and find the Wi-Fi settings. 9. Select extender's network. Choose the SSID, network name, of the Netgear extender from the list of available networks on the washer. 10. Connect washer. Enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted and confirm the connection.